Welcome to new aspirants. Those who are willing to apply MBBS admission at Tamil Nadu. MBBS admission 2022 analysis. Category B management quota seat, private medical colleges. How to get MBBS admission 2022 at private medical colleges. Category B management quota seat, Tamil Nadu. We request to the students and parents, please click subscribe button for more information and videos. Easy way to get MBBS admission Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu have 9 minority private medical colleges out of 18 private medical colleges at limited open admission to all students through Tamil Nadu. The students willing to apply at private medical colleges at Tamil Nadu, please go through the official website of Tamil Nadu. Medical admission. Private medical colleges category B, Tamil Nadu. There is a list of chart given in the video. Private medical colleges, place of private medical colleges and year of established of private medical colleges. We request to the student, please apply, go through the official prospectus. Fees 2020-2021. There is no changes in the management quota fees category B private medical colleges Tamil Nadu. We request to the student, please go through it thoroughly of given in the chart and select the private medical colleges accordingly. Seat matrix 2021. The intake MBBS seats are given in the chart. Please go through it. And there is a ratio given in the category B management quota seats. We are given the sheet sharing formula and will be changes accordingly with the request from the Tamil Nadu government. Cut-off marks 2019, 2020, 2021. 1. PSC Institute of Medical Sciences, Coimbatore, 497 marks in the year 2021. KMCH Institute of Health Science and Research, Coimbatore, 496 in the general category, 476 for NRI Labs category. Velamal Medical College Hospital and Research Institute, Madurai, 483 in the general category, 413 for NRI Labs seat. Mel Maruvatur Anti Parasakti Institute of Medical Sciences, Kanjipuram, 469 in general category, 204 in NRI Labs. Karpagam Vinayaka Institute of Medical Sciences, Chengalpet, 462 in general category, 312 in NRI Labs seat. Tagore Medical College and Hospital, 461 in general category, 242 in NRI Labs seat. Swami Vivekananda Medical College, Hospital and Research Institute, Tiruchengodu, 461 in general category, 322 NRI Labs seat. Dhanalakshmi Srinivasan Medical College and Hospital, Perambalur, 460 in general category, 123 in minority, 227 in NRI Labs seat. Annapurna Medical College and Hospital, Salem, 460 in general category, 133 in NRI Labs seat. Sri Muthukumaran Medical College and Hospital, 452 in general category, 120 in minority category in the year 2021. 11. St. Peter's Medical College Hospital and Research Institute, Krishnagiri, 451 in general category, 163 in NRI Labs category. 12. Arunai Medical College and Hospital, Thiruvannamalai, 437 in general category, 141 in minority category, 173 in NRI Labs seat. Indira Medical College and Hospital, Tiruvallur, 432 in general category, 119 in NRI left seat. Mata Medical College and Hospital, 360 in general category, 217 in NRI left seat. Tiruchi SRM Medical College, Tiruchi, 372 in minority category, 400 in NRI left seat. Pannimalar Medical College, Hospital and Research Institute, Chennai, 360 in minority category, 217 in NRI left seat. Sri Mookambika Institute of Medical Sciences, Kanyakumari, 165 in minority category, 292 in NRI left seat. Karpagam Faculty of Medical Sciences and Research, Coimbatore, 159 in minority candidate, 276 in NRI left seat in the year 2021 NEET cutoff mark. To know information on MBBS admission 2022, Tamil Nadu medical admission under management quota, NRI labs to management quota, private medical colleges, please refer following websites: https://tnmedicaLSELECTION.net. We request to the students and parents, please go through the private medical colleges and select the seats accordingly. There is 9 private medical colleges have minority quota, so please go thoroughly of the private medical colleges under Telugu, Christian and Malayalam minorities. There is no capitation fees of said medical colleges. Please go through it and get the admission through Tamil Nadu Government Medical Admission Counseling. Thank you. Best wishes to all.